In this video, I will teach you how to create outline text effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, go to the Window menu and open the Layer panel. I have this image. Link to this image is mentioned in the description. Select the image layer. Go to the Select menu and choose Subject. Then go to the Layer menu, New, and create a layer via Copy, or press Ctrl+J. Select the Type tool and type your text. Here I am using the Poppins black font. Link of the font is mentioned in the description. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Go to the Layer menu, New, and create a layer via Copy, or press Ctrl+J. And bring the copy text layer between the image layer. Select the top text layer and set the fill to 1. Right-click on the text layer and choose Blending Options. And select the stroke. And use these settings. Hit OK. Select the both text layers. And click on the link layer icon. And you can move the text anywhere. Double-click on the layer to open blending options. Select the drop shadow and follow my settings. Also apply the inner glow to it and adjust its settings. Hit OK. And it's done. Isn't it amazing? If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching.